Okay, children, good morning, children. So here we can start our class. We will be starting with textbook, workbook, all you know. You are familiar with EVS 1, textbook and workbook. So from part 1, I will be starting the chapter 3, organ system. Chapter 3, organ system. Okay, just to hear it. Okay, no need to open your book now. No need to open your book. Okay, now after the class you can open it, you can read it. Now no need to open it, just listen. Okay, so you can all hear me, isn't it? You can all hear me. Anybody is there that can't hear me or something? Am I audible to all children?
Yes.
Okay, so Ananda Krishna. Yes, unmute. Yes, very good, very good. So smart boy. So tell me, which body part help you to hear my sound? Which of your ears? Okay, very good. Not ear, ears. Both are there. No, ears. Next one, you can see me, isn't it? Video is on. My video is on. So you can see me and you can see your friends also. Abel Varghese understood my question. What is that question? What? Yeah, through eyes. Yeah, very good. Mute your audio. Okay, through your eyes that you can see things. Okay, maybe yeah. Now it is breakfast. It is just now over. Do you have your breakfast, children? Do you have your breakfast? No, after this class. Okay. Some might have done it and some may be waiting for after this class. So what you want to do? Yeah, if children, please mute your audio. Please. Okay, so here, yeah, for the lunch, if your mother is preparing something special, you can, and even if you are attending the class, then also you can understand something is cooking, isn't it? What makes you to understand that your mother is preparing something special in the kitchen? Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav.
Nose.
Oh, through the nose. What you will get through the nose, Abhinav? Smell. Okay, through the nose you will get smell. Okay, so whether it is cooked sweet or sour or salty, how do you know that? How do you know about it? Whether the cooked food, whether it is, yeah, is it Aradhya through the teeth? Is it through the teeth? Then no. Okay, Devanandan, I hope, I think Devanandan told the answer. Through the tongue, not tongue. Okay, through the tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. So ears, nose, then eyes, and our tongue. Help us to understand, help us to know about our environment, about around, what all things are happening around us. These all body parts help us to understand around us. Isn't it? Am I right, children? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So whether the cooked food or whether the water which it is kept it in the jar, whether it is hot or cold, how do you know about it? How do you know about it? Skin. Okay, so by touching, when we touch something or when something falls on our skin, we will get the sense of whether it is hot, cold, or, isn't it? So skin also helps us to understand whatever it is happening around us. Okay, so these all are body parts, isn't it? You learned about this all in the smaller classes. I hope you all learned about this, isn't it? So let me share it. Yeah, in second standard, you might have learned it. Can you see this, children? Can you see this board?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So here are these all are the body parts which
Yes,
we explained, isn't it? You gave the
Yes.
answers. Yeah, these all are the body parts
body
through which, body parts
Eyes,
which we. Okay,
nine,
Abel and Rida, please mute your audio. Okay. I will give you chance for unmuting and to tell the answers. So here, these all body parts will help us to understand our surroundings. These are body parts. If I tell you, take your textbook and write something. John, Jesse. I don't know whether I am calling your right name or not. Okay, what is your name?
Joanne.
Joanne. Okay, Joanne. So can you tell me, if I tell you to write something, which body part will help you?
Hand.
Oh, hands. Okay. Is there any two Johns are there? I called one John and some others also are answering in.
Hand.
Okay, hands. And if I want to draw, which body part will help me?
Hands.
And if I want to lift this pouch, which body part will help me?
Hand.
Okay. So whether if I tell you go and check what is cooking in the kitchen, you have to walk, isn't it?
Yes.
So at that time, Abel, at that time, which body part will help you to walk or for moving?
leg,
Legs, not only one leg, two legs, isn't it? So legs will help you to move. So these also are body parts. Not only these main body parts, legs, hand, foot, then the fingers, shoulder, this neck, head, these also are body parts, isn't it? This Adam Abel, yeah. Be sit quiet, okay? Don't annotate something. So these all are body parts. These all are called body parts. They are really helping us, isn't it? Isn't it, children? They are really helping us in our work. Prarthana. Am I right, Prarthana?
Yes, ma'am.
These body parts, not only these body parts, the legs, the hand, the foot, the shoulders, neck, head, these also are body parts that help us in our work. So, can we give them one special name? Can we give them some special name?
Yes.
Yes, what? Yeah, yes, tell me. Organs, yes, very good. These five are called, these five have a special name. You learned it in first standard. Who can say that? Special name is there. What is sense organs, isn't it? These five are called sense organs. Okay, these five are called sense organs. Others, the hand and the legs, shoulders, these all simply organs. Devanandan, are you following me? Okay.
Yes.
These five are helping us to sense surroundings. Sense our surroundings. That is why it is called sense organs. And others, the other body parts, they are also helping us in our work. We can call them as organs, simple organs. Abu Tahir, am I right, Abu Tahir? Can you follow me?
yes,
Yes. So, body, another name for Abu. So tell me, what is the another name for body part? Every time we should not say body part, body part, body part. What we will call them? What we will call them? Yes, tell me. Devanandan, tell me what we can call them. Devanandan,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, what we can call. Which organ?
Sense organ.
Sense organs are these only. Understood? Sense organs are these only, all the body parts, including sense organs. What we can call? What we, okay, organs. Okay, organs. Okay, so we can call them as organs. Yes, children. Okay, so children, if you want to say any doubt or anything, just raise your hand. I will give you chance. Okay. Okay. So our point is organ. The another name for body parts. Sarah, what is the another? Sarah, unmute Sarah. Okay. Yes, 1 minute. Yeah, Sarah, tell me. Sarah, another
Body parts.
okay, another name for the body part. What is the another name for body part?
Organ.
Okay, very good. Mute it. Okay, very good. Organ. So Janisha. Yes, Janisha, unmute. Yes. Okay. So is your nose, is it an organ, Janisha?
Yes.
Okay. Is it your hands are organs?
Yes.
Okay. And what about your shoulders? It is also a body part. Can we call shoulders as an organ?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, okay, I hope children, you all understood it. Jawad? Yes, unmuted Jawad. Yes. So if anybody asks you, okay, if your parents or your friends ask you, what is that word meaning organ? What is that word meaning organ? You have to tell it like this. Okay. The organs means the parts of the body. Can you see the board, children? Organ means the parts of the body that help us to do special and important work. Okay. The parts of the body that helps us to do special and important work are called organs. Understood? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me call one student. Okay, Aradhya, unmute. Yes. If anybody asks you, what is an organ? How can you answer it? What is an organ? You can read it from the board. No need to by heart it now itself. Yes. What is that?
Of the body that
yes.
help us to do
special and important. Yes, special and important work are called organs. Okay. Abhinav. Yes. What is an organ, Abhinav? Yes. Now to try it. Yes. What is an organ, Abhinav?
The part of the body that
parts of the body, isn't it? Organs means parts of the body. Yes.
Parts of the body that help us to do special and important work are called organs.
Okay. Rida Abdul Kalam. Yes. Yes, Rida. Try it. Yes, unmute. Okay, wait.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Yes. What is meant by organs or organ? Rida. Famous.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rida, tell me what is meant by organ?
The parts of the body
Parts of the body
that help us to do special and important work are called organs.
Okay, famous. Yes, yes. So my question is, what is the name given for the parts of the body that helps us to do some work? What is that word given to it? What we can call the body parts as a whole? What we can call? Janisha. Yes, Janisha, unmute. Yes, tell me. The parts of the body that helps us to do special and important work. What we can call it as? We can call them as organ. Okay, from the same definition, we can make a so many questions. Jawak. Yes, unmute. Jawak. Yes, try it, Jawak. Not able to do. Rohan. Yes, Rohan.
Ma'am.
Yes. Can you show me an organ, Rohan? Any of the organ? Can you show any of the organ? I can't see you. Can you show it? Yes. Yes. I can't see you. Where? Okay. Advait Krishna is raising his hand. Yes, Advait Krishna. Yes. Show me any of your organ. Any of your, or I will tell you. Okay, hands. What is the use of hands? What is the use of this organ, Advait?
We can write.
Okay, you can write, you can eat, drink, anything, isn't it? Okay, if you want to take something, to lift something, you can do using it. So I hope children, it is the first point organ that is clear to you. Those who understood well, please raise your hand. Those who understood well. Okay, Brahmadat. Okay, almost. If anybody is there, Ujjwal. Yes, Ujjwal, tell me. What is the name, other name for the body part that help us to do work?
Organ.
Okay, organs. Which is the organ that helps you to hear?
Ear.
Ears. Okay, ears. I hope it's clear. So we learned about organ. So what all organs we discussed here, we can see them. It is situated out of our body, isn't it? We can see it from outside. We can see these all organs from outside. Am I right, children? Am I right? These all organs we can see from outside. Is there any other organs which are inside our body? Are there any organs inside our body? Are there any organs, body parts that help us to do some work? Are anything inside our house, inside our body? Is there anything inside our body? Any name? Do you know the name of any organ that is there inside our body? Abhinav KB. Yes, Abhinav.
Brain.
Very good. Very good, Abhinav. Brain. It is the mute your audio. It is the most important organ of our body. Anthony Babu. Yes. Anthony Babu. Tell me. Anthony Babu is facing some network issue. Any others? Rida. I think Rida. Okay, Rida. Unmute and tell.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Heart.
Heart. Okay, not hurt. Heart. Okay, heart, that is also very important. Any other? Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya, tell me.
Liver.
Liver. Okay, so those after answering, please mute your audio. Okay, Lakshmika. 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 Unmute, Lakshmika. Unmute. Let me ask you one question. Yes, Lakshmika. So here some of the students told brain, liver, then heart. These all are organs which are situated inside our body. Can you name one more organ? Can any one organ? Not remembering? Okay, no problem. Okay, Advait Krishna. Advait Krishna.
Ma'am, length.
Lungs. Okay, very good. Lungs. So there are organs situated inside our body also. Okay, they are also doing some work. They are also helping us to do some function in our body. Okay, to do some functions in our body. Let me share it. Okay, so can you see this, children? Some organs inside our body. Can you see? Javak, can you see the board? Are you able to see the board, Javak? Javak? Yes. Okay, you can unmute, child. I made it able. Okay, so here you can see lot of lungs, heart, then liver, stomach, small intestines, then the brain. So these are also organs, part of the body that help us to do some functions. Okay, for thinking, which organ will help you to think, for learning and all? Anand Krishna, Mitra, unmute. Which organ help you to think, learn and all, to learn? Which organ helps you to think? For thinking, now also you are using that organ, I think. Which organ? Bhagat? Yes, Bhagat. Which organ you are using for thinking, learning?
Brain.
Bhagat? Brain. Yes, very good. Very good. Mitra, I know you know that answer, but maybe somewhat confused. Isn't it? Okay, no problem. So for thinking, for writing, brain is the organ that helps us. Okay, for pumping blood, which organ inside our body helps us for pumping blood? For pumping blood? Yes, Anthony Babu. Okay. Tell me, Anthony. Yes, and yeah. Tell me. Heart. Okay, that is heart. So these organs which we can see inside our body also have some functions. Okay, are also helping us to do some work. In this lesson, we can learn about the organs which are seen inside our body. Outside you can see it, isn't it? The organs, some of the organs we can see it from outside. But do you like to see? Do you like to learn? Do you like to learn about the organs which we can't see from outside? Do you like to learn, children? Do you like to learn? Okay, so here we can learn, and this chapter, lesson 3, organ system. Lesson 3, organ system. It is all about the organs which are in the present inside our body. No need to open the book. Okay, pictures, everything I will show it on the book. After the class, you can learn it. You can read the textbook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so these are some of the organs. Okay, these are some of the organs which we can see, which are situated. We can't see, which are situated inside our body and also helping us to do. So here we can start learning one by one some of the organs which are situated inside our body. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? If you are ready, give a thumbs up. Okay, yeah, very good. So first one, that is food pipe. How we will call it? Food pipe. Can you read it from the board, children? Food pipe. Yes, food pipe. Okay. So Prarthana Prabhil, what is the first organ? What is the name of the first organ which we are going to learn in this chapter? What is the name? Yes, unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes. Prarthana. Oh,
Ma'am.
yes. Yes,
Food pipe.
food pipe. Okay. How to read it? Food pipe.
Food pipe.
Okay. Food. We will say
Food.
it food. So food pipe. Can you
Food
see
pipe.
it in the picture, children? Can you see the see a tube? See a narrow tube in the picture of that person that is starting from the throat as a continuation of the mouth, from the throat to a bag-like organ. Isn't it? A small tube. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it? Okay. So
Yes.
yes. So here we can see a picture. Here we can see a picture. So there you can see a long tube. Can you see a long tube here? This tube,
Yes.
this tube is which leads from the mouth through the throat to the stomach. You can see a sac-like organ here, isn't it? One shaped sac-like organ. That, yeah. So through this tube, it is connecting. This tube, it is connecting the mouth and the stomach. What is the name of this tube? Food pipe. Food pipe. Okay, mute it. The name of the tube which connects the mouth and the sac-like organ called stomach. That is called food pipe. Okay, Lakshmika, unmute Lakshmika. Lakshmika. Okay. Yadunandan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the name of the tube-like organ which connects mouth and stomach? What we told?
But
Which what type? What pipe?
food pipe.
Food pipe. Okay, food pipe. Devarsh. What is the name of the pipe? Devarsh, what is the name of the pipe that connects our mouth and our stomach? What is that? What is the name of that pipe? Devarsh.
Ma'am.
Yes. What is the name of the pipe that connects the mouth and the stomach?
Food pipe.
Food pipe. Okay. Then Aldrin Joby. Aldrin Joby, unmute. Aldrin. Okay. So Mitra. Okay, Aldrin. So tell me, Aldrin, what is the name of the organ that connects our mouth and the sac-like organ which is inside? Tube-like organ. Can you hear me? I think
ma'am.
yes. So what is the name of the tube-like organ that connects mouth and the stomach? Famous. Tell me, what is the name of the tube-like organ? Unmute. Yes. Tell me.
I cannot hear.
Okay, you can't hear. So up to this time, what you are doing then? So who can say that answer? Devanandan, tell me. Devanandan.
Food pipe.
Food pipe. Okay. So anybody asked you what is a food pipe? through the food pipe, through that tube, what all we are eating, it is going into our stomach. Through the food pipe, through this tube called food pipe, that the food which we are eating, getting it into our stomach. Okay, so when you are eating, yes, somebody is calling. Who is that?
Ma'am, Ruda.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, when the heart stop beeping, we will die.
Okay, then we will die. Okay. So here we are discussing that. We will discuss it later. Okay. When we learn about heart, I will be explaining. We can discuss that. So here we are discussing about the tube-like organ. What is the tube-like, Yadunandan? What is the tube-like organ here? Yes, tell me. What is the name of the organ? Tube-like organ. Yadunandan? Food pipe. Food pipe. Okay, food pipe. The pipe which or the tube-like organ which takes the food what all we are eating into our stomach, that is called food pipe. If you are eating ice cream, or if you are eating chocolates, or if you are eating chapatis, when you are keeping these chapatis into your mouth, from there, through the food pipe that it is going into our stomach. Understood? So who is taking this food which we are keeping into our mouth, into our body, into the stomach? Which organ is taking this, Aradhya? Which organ is taking? Food pipe. Okay, so we will be learning about some more about the food pipe in the next class, and also about some other organs which are situated inside our body. I hope you understood today's topic, and you can read the textbook, page number 11. Okay, page number 11, only a small portion. So 3 times you can read that one. Page number, I will be sending a message. Okay, so it is now the time to wind. Lakshmika.
I didn't have book.
Okay, so wait. Okay, so you can get it from the school.
I got my books in hometown.
Okay, tell your mother to take an image and send you. Okay, so here now the time to wind up today's class. So I will be sending some works for you for writing and for reading. So you have to do it. Okay, so shall I wind up today's session? Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you, ma'am.